In this video, I'm going to show you how to put black and colored ink inside of an HP printer. Before you put ink in your printer, make sure you look up the model. It's typically in the top corner, and you look up what type of ink that it accepts. In this case, mine is HP 67. First step, make sure that your printer is on and plugged in. Next, you're going to open up the paper tray, and inside the paper tray, if you look in, and inside the paper tray, you'll see there's a little trap door. Pull on that to open it. The printer is then going to expose your ink cartridges. And if you get confused on where the ink goes, there's always a sticker right here that indicates which side is color and which side is black. And that's right there. So in order to remove the ink cartridge, you just apply pressure in a downward motion, and it pops right out. 1, 2. All right, so you're gonna open up your ink cartridge. Okay, perfect. Of course, you're gonna see that you have some paper and stickers to remove. Do not install them like this, or it's just not gonna work. And it's just a sticker you peel off. Yeah, Dylan, you can do the next one.
This one.
Yeah. Perfect. And then we got colored ink on the left, black ink on the right. Okay. And then you're just going to reinstall them in reverse of how they came out. Just the slightest pressure. And close this cover. After a moment, you'll hear the printer move the ink back to its home position in this direction. So if I open this, you'll see it's gone. So next, I'm going to load some paper to do a test image. All right, I got some paper loaded to do a test image. I'm also going to look at this digital display, and you can now see that my ink levels, colored and black ink, are all at 100%. It is automatically printing a test image. And this is going to have some instructions on it. I'll read them to you in a moment. Here is the test image that it printed. What it wants you to do is do an alignment. Every time you put in ink cartridges, it wants to realign its software. So you are going to just follow these steps and place it face down on the scanner. Make sure you position it correctly and then close the lid. So when you open it up, you can see, oh look, there's my last one. Shows how much I scan stuff. When you look, you want to center in the top corner. That's exactly what I've done. I'm going to close. After you close the lid, you need to press the copy button. Okay, it just finished. And it does the rest of its thing all on its own. So at this point, you're done. And you're ready to start printing.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.